Do you know what an owl's ears look like? You didn't see it wrong. The owl's ears are very large. Open your ears, you can even see his big eyes. These big eyes are even more beautiful. There are also these owl ears. He has 2 long ears. It's called the long-eared owl's ear. It looks swollen. We used to hear about it when we were kids, but we've never seen it in real life. The sound is like this. This type of white-headed owl is called the snowy owl. It mainly lives in cold areas and highlands. Their fur is very thick and can withstand low temperatures below 50 degrees. The eagle-headed owl has a pair of beautiful long legs. You could say his feet were under his neck and they were running as fast as they could.
It's the